Ninja Turtles do have Donatello, Leonardo, Michelangelo, and Raphael. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So here we have official images of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Puma MB.04 collaboration coming out at the end of this year. We do see that these shoes will be coming out at a retail price of $125. Ninja Turtles. So the first pair features Leonardo and Michelangelo, and on the back we do see special branding that says Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and then it has Mellow on the back. Predominantly the shoe, they're going to be mixed match shoes, which I'm not personally a fan of, but what I like about this shoe is they did try to match it a little bit, meaning that the predominantly of this shoe is lime green, and then the back is changing into a different color. We see look like a peach on the left pair and a light blue on the other pair. I do like what LaMelo Ball is doing with his shoes. However, I don't play basketball, so I don't normally rock these. But let me know down in the comments, are you rocking the LaMelos? And what do you think about these? So the second pair is going to be predominantly, again, he's with that green colorway, but these ones are going to have purple on the back, on the left shoe, and going to have red on the right shoe. This is going to be the Raphael and Donatello. Again, those feature that same color blocking, meaning that the lime green is at the front with the different colors on the back. Does have special branding with the Puma on the back. Teenage Mutant Ninja and Mellow again. And then the outsole does feature some special branding. It says not from here. Again, let me know if you're rocking these or dropping these down in the comments, nigga. The Rick and Morty collaborations that he did in the past did very well. So only time will tell for these. So stay tuned for that. So moving on to the Jordan recaps, we do have these shoes that came out from October 27th through November 2nd. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So November 1st, we did have a Jordan 4 just for the Babies. This Jordan 4 was called the Platinum / Metallic. This did come at a price point of $160. We did have a short on that. If you haven't done so, go and check out that short right there. But all sizes are available. I say again, all sizes are available. This is a very clean shoe, especially for the Babies. I do like that iridescent hit on it. It does feature a black and white colorway, which I think you can rock with anything. But let me know down in the comments, were you able to pick those up for your kids or not? But all sizes are available, sneakerheads. If you want those, check out Nike.com. So what we got next, my brother?
So on November the 2nd, we did have the Air Jordan 14s, the black toe. Price point for those, $210. This was a white and black varsity red shoe with that toe box of black suede. Like to say, hey, I was shocked, according to the all sizes did sell out. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. Hey, you get a big for that because I was a second one because I was shocked with that one. Very shocked, especially with that price point of $210. But all sizes did sell out according to Nike.com. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.